My name is Sarah Woods, and I am a physician assistant with the cardiology group here at Prisma Health. I grew up in North Carolina, originally born in Winston-Salem. Moved to Mooresville, North Carolina when I was in the 5th grade. I went to the University of South Carolina for undergrad and continued my physician assistant education here at USC as well in Columbia. And now I call Columbia home. So cardiology is the study of the heart and the blood vessels. We look to prevent, treat, diagnose conditions that can affect the electrical system within the heart, the structure, including the valves, whether or not they're allowing blood in or out properly, and the blood vessels which supply oxygen and blood to the heart itself. So initially I wanted to go into cardiology because my grandfather was a cardiologist in North Carolina. But as I got into PA school, I loved learning it. I loved the physiology behind the cardiovascular system. Cardiology encompasses a lot of different specialties, and it's a holistic approach to treating the patient, which I enjoy. I also love that I'm able to see the patient throughout their journey, and there's several follow-ups, and I get to know people along the way. I inspire health through open communication and education of various conditions within the cardiovascular system, and then I can allow the patient to build trust with me and we work together. For me, I think it's important to empower the patient because once they're involved and they are taking part in their own care along with myself, then they can use the tools that I've taught them to go home and do the things that I inspired them to do through our education. When I'm not at work, I love to support South Carolina sports. So in the fall, I go to all the Gamecock games. I go to basketball games in the winter and then baseball games in the spring. Otherwise, I love to be outdoors. I grew up on the lake, so if I can get back home to my parents' house and be on the lake, I enjoy doing that. Right now, I'm trying to find new hobbies like reading and painting. After being in school for so long, I'm really excited to do those things. If you'd like to make an appointment in our office, please call the number on the screen.